Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to review top 4 best robotic kits for beginners. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our first product is LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox 17101 Fun Robot Building Set. Inspire kids to bring their LEGO creations to life with the new LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox, the fun and easy entry to building and coding smart toys for boys and girls aged 7+. By downloading the free LEGO Boost app and following the step-by-step instructions, kids can learn how to master programming robots all by themselves. Inside are instructions for Vernie, the robot, a moving, talking, and dancing robot, the MT-R.4, multi-tooled rover 4, a robust, versatile rover with 4 different tool attachments including a spring-loaded shooter, the Guitar 4000, a musical instrument with pitch bend and sound effects, Frankie the cat, an interactive pet that plays, purrs, and expresses its mood, and the Auto Builder, an automated production line that actually builds miniature LEGO models. With the app's intuitive, icon-based coding interface and complete array of exciting activities designed for each model, kids can learn about loops and variables, develop their STEM skills, creatively solve problems and endless play possibilities. Our second product is Ubi Tech Jimu Robot Astrobot Series. Zoom into space with the latest Astrobot series, Cosmos Kit. This kit has all the parts to build 3 different robots, Astrobot, Rover, or Astron, or invent your own galactic Jimu robot creation. To start the fun, download the free Jimu app that is step-by-step, 3D, 360 degrees animated building instructions. The fun is extended with the blocky coding platform, allowing kids to build and code these robots to perform countless programs and tricks. Zoom into space with the latest Astrobot series, Cosmos Kit. Build 3 different robots or invent your own. This kit has all the parts to build 3 different robots, Astrobot, Rover, or Astron, or invent your own galactic Jimu robot creation. The fun is extended with the blocky coding platform, allowing kids to build and code these robots to perform countless actions and tricks. Our third product is LEGO Mindstorms Robot Inventor Building Set. Robot Inventor app includes 50+ activities that bring your creations to life. A tough, walking guardian, blast fires missiles, punches and hammers through obstacles. The quirky helper, Charlie just aims to please. He also dances and plays drums. A robot for any task. MVP, a modular, multifunctional, brick-eating vehicle. An advanced quadruped Gello is a fun, smart, walking robot who can avoid obstacles. The sports fanatic Tricky loves shooting hoops, playing ball and other sports. Robot Inventor app includes 50+ activities that bring your creations to life. A tough, walking guardian blast fires missiles, punches and hammers through obstacles. The quirky helper Charlie just aims to please. He also dances and plays drums. Our fourth product is Kids First Coding and Robotics. Coding for preschoolers. Meet Sammy. This cute little peanut butter and jelly sandwich is actually a robot that teaches coding principles and skills to children in grades K2. You don't need a tablet, smartphone, or computer to program this robot. Programs are created by simply laying down a sequence of physical code cards. You can program the robot to move around, activate its output gear, light up its LED, play sounds, and more. Use the robots to complete coding challenges and learn the basics of programming. Build Sammy and other models. Follow the step-by-step visual instructions to construct a variety of models that appear throughout the storybook-style manual. In addition to Sammy, there are 5 other stories, each with a series of model building and coding challenges and lessons related to it. A mouse moves through a maze to find cheese, a penguin interacts with other animals in a park, a soccer player moves a ball into the goal, a fire truck puts out fires, and a factory robot performs tasks in a factory scenario. All models use the same robotic base unit.